In this next video, I'm going to show you a little bit about what I've learned about 99 Math. So I chose this tool because I have been looking for a way to build up multiplication fluency using a digital tool, and something that's not the same thing that we're always using. We use Extra Math, and my kids don't like it. So I wanted to find something a little bit more fun and engaging. So my intended audience, of course, are students. ISTE standards that are covered are 3.1b, ensuring all students have access to technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities. 3.5c, use technology to regularly engage in reflective practices that support personal or professional growth. So diving into this tool, as a teacher, you create a free account, and the first thing that you can do is to kind of look to see what skills, what grade levels they have. So I really like that they do break it up in grade level skills, not just like addition in general or multiplication in general. They actually have grade 3 skills. So let's say I want to click on multiplication. It also breaks it down individually by specific skill builders. So let's say this week I'm working on multiplying by threes. I can click on this game and we can play multiplication by threes. So when you play live, it's very similar to how a Kahoot works. The kids put in a game code and then they have about a minute or a couple minutes to answer questions. And then so after you've kind of seen the skills, you can sync your class. So it's very easy. I just synced my class with Clever. Students can either log in through Clever, or if your school doesn't have Clever, you can do Google. And then after the students play, there's a report section here. So this is just a sample one, but it tells you their answers, their accuracy, their mistakes in total. So how they've done up to, it looks like, under a particular skill. So, yeah, I like that you can see their particular mistakes and specifically particular problems. So that is a 99 Math. I'm hoping to try it with my kids sometime this week. So hopefully you learned something from this, and it maybe could be a useful tool for you. Thank you for watching.